ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਿਊ ਜਰਸੀ ਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਿੱਖ ਗ੍ਰੰਥੀ ਨੇ ਹਾਊਸ ਆਫ ਰਿਪਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟੇਟਿਵ ਦੀ ਕਾਰਵਾਈ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕੀਤੀ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਨਿਊ ਜਰਸੀ ਦੇ ਪਾਈਨ ਹਿਲ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ ਦੇ ਗ੍ਰੰਥੀ ਗਿਆਨੀ ਜਸਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਸ਼ੁੱਕਰਵਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਸਦਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਿਨ ਦੀ ਕਾਰਵਾਈ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤੀ। ਆਮ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਕਾਰਵਾਈ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਦਰੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਰਥਨਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸਦਨ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਕੇਵਿਨ ਮੈਕਾਰਥੀ ਨੇ ਐਲਾਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਸਿੰਘ ਕਾਰਵਾਈ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਨਗੇ। ਅਰਦਾਸ ਤੋਂ ਤੁਰੰਤ ਬਾਅਦ ਕਾਂਗਰਸਮੈਨ ਡੋਨਾਲਡ ਨੋਰਕ੍ਰੋਸ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਤਿਹਾਸਕ ਮੌਕਾ ਦੱਸਿਆ। ਸਿੰਘ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰਤੀਨਿਧੀ ਸਭਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਗ੍ਰੰਥੀ ਹਨ। ਨੋਰਕ੍ਰੋਸ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਰਚਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਇਹ ਯਾਦ ਦਿਵਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਧਰਮ ਦੇ ਸੁਤੰਤਰ ਪ੍ਰਗਟਾਵੇ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਹਿਮੀਅਤ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਵਚਨਬੱਧ ਰਹਾਂਗੇ। ਗਿਆਨੀ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਊਥ ਜਰਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਣ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ ਹੈ। ਪਿਛਲੇ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿੱਖ ਆਗੂ ਦੇ ਕਤਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਹੱਥ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆਉਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇਸ ਕਾਰਵਾਈ ਦੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਸਿੰਬੋਲਿਕ ਮਹੱਤਤਾ ਸਮਝੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ।
What happened in Canada is horrible by any measurement. The reports of it being perpetrated by another country on foreign soil, we have to get to the bottom of that to find out what happened, and if the reports are true, I think this takes those actions to a new level. But let's talk about the Sikh community in our community, in my community. You are a part of the community. You're the fabric. You are there each and every day. And the fact of the matter is our country was founded on religious freedoms. Whatever that religion is, we come together as one. E pluribus unum, out of many come one. And today, it's a special day for the Sikh community that they can show their love not only for their community, but for our country. The idea of people being targeted for their fundamental right to believe in what they feel is appropriate, whatever the religion is. Obviously, the numbers attacking the Jewish members or you in the Sikh community is not American. It's anti-American. And the fact of the matter is you should be able to do it without fear of your public safety and your life, and that is certainly not the case. So today even becomes more symbolic. And it's unfortunate that we had to wait this long for a Sikh to lead the prayer, but this turns the page, starts a new day that you are very much part of who we are, which is America. Thanks for coming.
Thank you. No, we just want to welcome everyone for this historic day, the first time to have a Sikh cleric open the floor in the House. We're so glad we were able to finally make it happen, because we've tried and we've had COVID and we've had all kinds of other things get in the way. So very, very happy to welcome everyone to the Capitol.
We are also very grateful to have the co-chair of the Sikh Congressional Caucus, a man who has been a great partner with the entire community, both in California, where he lives and serves, and here in Washington, where for years he has taken on the leadership of the caucus and done great work for us. Congressman David Valdeo from California. David.
Good morning, everyone. I appreciate everyone taking some time to be here today. This caucus was the caucus, the only caucus that I actually founded. It's one that I'm very proud of. A great group of people have been a part of this caucus for a number of years, and I've worked with a lot of you over the years, and I think we've accomplished some great things, but obviously there's always things going on in the world that the caucus has to be aware of and try to be supportive of. But today I think is with everything else going on in the Capitol, with potential government funding crisis, we're also very grateful that you guys are here. That we had the opportunity to honor the Sikh faith here on the House floor and be able to share with the world something that I've got to experience many times over the last few years when I come and visit a lot of the temples around the Central Valley. So I appreciate you guys taking some time to be here today. As you can imagine, this is probably one of the most hectic times we've had in a long time here in Washington. We're all going to be stuck here for a while, and we're going to be sneaking in and out of a lot of meetings, trying to figure out a way to keep our government open and take care of our constituents to the best of our ability. So thank you all again for being here, and please enjoy your time here at the Capitol, and this is the People's House. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Congressman, thank you very much. A hearty welcome to each of you who've taken time, not just to come to the Capitol, the United States Capitol, to be a part of what we have, not just Americanism, but a message to the world and as the Sikh community well understands, your participation in not only making America a greater nation, but also including yourself and your families that have chosen to make America home. Today we recognized as the first Sikh religious leader to come on the floor of the House of Representatives today, and Don Norcross leading that effort to make sure that we not only welcome you, but understand by listening to you about the ideas which so many of you feel so strongly about, and that is not only your own safety, but that is that you came to America to be a part of making our country better. Do I believe that we are perfect? No. Are we still working together? Yes. But I would encourage each of you to have the faith and confidence, not only in yourself, but also your religious beliefs that are about peace and opportunity and love and the chance to make everyone's life better, is something that we strongly believe in also.
Thanks for being here. And this is not a red or a blue issue. This is about who we are as a democracy and the ideals that the founding fathers and mothers came together to say religious freedom. And it's ironic that it's happening on a day that within the last 2 weeks, the events around the world, in particular in Canada, and that in our President's Day are people on a list that are to be dealt with in a very negative way. They are on the proverbial hit list. And that's why today is so symbolic, that we are one in this country, whatever your religious beliefs. And today, it's about the Sikh religion and what we experience today. Those who are up in the gallery and certainly down on the floor had that special moment, that e pluribus unum, out of many we are one. And I would just want to say thank you to members of the House who helped support this. We were able to bring this together, and I think it's a special day that, quite frankly, is historic. And on the actual prayer, we had the speaker signed it along with the chaplain. Quite frankly, a historic document that will go down in history, and that each day that we do this as one makes us a stronger country as one. So thank you.